Hello, good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel with the new video, new openings, and new hopes. Guys, today I'm going to share around 11 to 12 companies opening with you. So do not skip the video, and I'm requesting you, if you are new on the channel, please do subscribe on the channel and hit a like button. Okay. Uh, let's start with the company name and their eligibility criteria and their application procedure. Okay. The first company name is SUS System. They are hiring for data analyst. They are required experience of 0 to 3 years. Salary budget of for this position is 4.2 lakh per annum to 8.6 lakh per annum. Job location will be Pune, Hyderabad, and Bangalore. Vacancies they are mentioned 22. So SUS System Management, they are hiring for and expecting your application on careers at susis.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Guys, let's move on the next company. The next company name is ITC Infotech, is hiring for freshers and experienced candidate as well. Job title is QA engineer. So guys, job title is very important while you sending the resume to the recruiter. It should be mentioned in your subject line. Okay, the job title is QA engineer. Job location will be remote, and experience they are expecting 0 to 3 years. Okay, qualification they are expecting any graduate, and CTC they are offered up to 16 lakh, 16 lakh. Okay, notice period 0 to 30 days, and they will provide a welcome kit as well. So 5 days working and 2 days week off you should get. And if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you can send your CV on this email ID. Guys, please check the spelling letter by letter before sending the resume to the recruiter. Okay, important note, guys, I am not a recruiter. I am just sharing this information to the job seeker. So if anyone asks money for the interview, it might be a fake. Do not pay a single rupees to anyone. Please make a note of it. Okay, let's move on the next company. DRC System is hiring for QA engineer. Experience they are expecting 2+ years. Location Gandhinagar. They are expecting skills manual testing and API testing. Okay, manual testing and API testing you should know about everything. And if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your CV on namrata.gosavi@drcsystems.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, guys, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Indigen. They are expecting a manual test engineer. Job location is a permanent work from home. Basic skills they are expecting manual plus SQL, and work experience they are expecting 1 to 3 years, and maximum budget for this position is 10 LPA. So make a note of it. It's a permanent work from home. Those candidates are want permanent work from home. So share their CVs on sunil.godwa@indian.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Technologies. They are hiring for a permanent work from home for manual testing QA. So the position name is manual testing QA, and it should be mentioned in your subject line. Okay, experience 0 to 3 years. Notice period 15 days to immediate. Okay, and if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on seema.bisat@ email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Before moving to the next company, I would like to tell you about Jobathon 22 powered by IU International University of Applied Sciences. So they have arranged a hiring event. So already 12 companies are participated in their hiring event, and it's held on 21st of September 2023 since 8 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Okay, it's a virtual contest, guys. So this is around 2.5 hours long challenge for freshers as well as experienced candidate. So for Jobathon 22 powered by IU International University for Applied Sciences, the participated companies you can see over here. There are 12 companies. You can find the link in the description for registration, and as well as for this company's name you can find the description. Okay, for registration link you can check out the description box. You can find the description link over there. After the registration, guys, you can enroll for one or more companies. So this contest having 175 marks contest. So there are four basically parts, and there are total 170 marks coding quiz and 15 quiz questions. In that, 100 marks for coding problem, 25 marks for programming logic for MCQs, and logical reasoning 25 marks, and quantitative aptitude for 22 marks. And important thing is that, guys, actually it supports languages for this coding. It's a C++, Java and Python. And a very important thing is, guys, it's a negative marking scheme. So there is a 5% penalty of each wrong submission. So make sure to submit your answer. Okay, guys. And if you want to study online with IU, it gives a 67% scholarship. Okay, so if you want to do the online course with IU, you can do. Okay, no issue with you will get and 67% scholarship. So everything you can just go and link in description. So just go and register over here. And if you want the previous companies, you can find everything with the companies. And if you want to check the past event, you can find the past event as well. So go and apply as soon as possible and grab this opportunity. And important, guys, it's a free of cost. It's arranged by IU International. So make sure to everyone just go and apply. Okay, guys, hope you understand how to apply with the Jobathon 22. Let's move on the next company. The next company name is AMBA. They are hiring for automation test engineer. Experience they're expecting 2+ years. Experience with Selenium is added advantage. Automation testing experience with other tools also required. Agile framework he should know, and good knowledge in scripting. So its job type is work from home. So it's very good opportunity, guys, for those are looking for a job from work from home. If you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on hrd@ameba.tech. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, guys. Before moving the next company, guys, I would like to request join us on Telegram and Instagram as well, because since last week I have posted 30+ openings on Instagram and Telegram. So you can find our Instagram and Telegram link in the description. So you check out the link and follow also on Instagram and Telegram. Okay. Let's move on the next company. The next company name is Marvik Systems. They are hiring for automation test engineer with Java with Selenium is mandatory. Skills they are expecting API automation or mobile automation, it's added advantage. Experience they are expecting 5+ years. Job location will be Chennai and Bangalore. So important note, guys, must have a provident fund account. Okay, for the background verification, means those candidates have a PF account, only share their CVs. See, guys, for fake experience, guys, some companies are expecting a PF account. Okay, guys, so just share your CV with total experience, relevant experience, current CTC, expected CTC, notice period, current location, and preferred location. Okay. These details you can share your profile on balagir@marvik-system.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Scientific Technologies. They are hiring for automation test engineer. The position name is automation test engineer, and it should be mentioned in your subject line. So preferred candidates from Hyderabad. And skill sets they are expecting C++, C#, Selenium, API testing, BDD, Postman, and Agile Scrum Master. So experience levels they are expecting 2+ years. So interested candidate can share their profile on careersindia@scientific.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, guys, that's it. I already notified you around 11 to 12 companies opening, and important notification I have given to that Jobathon 22. It's held on 21st of September too. So just registered and apply accordingly. You can find the registration link in description, and if you want to know about the Jobathon, you can check the website also, I have given in the description. So please check out and apply and grab this opportunity, and it's a free of cost, guys. So good luck for the Jobathon 22, those who want to attend. And just, if you still not hit the like button, just hit the like button. Okay, we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.